Hardened steel shackle for extra cut resistance. Set your own combination convenience. 4-digit dialing allows for thousands of possible combinations. Soft touch dials in 4 possible colors: red, blue, green, or orange. Color may vary. 2-5/16 inch wide die cast body. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent for my child who has physical limitations. My 11-year-old daughter has sensory processing disorder and is very tactile defensive, so touching most textures causes her pain and she struggles using her hands due to this. She also has chronic pain from another mystery yet to be diagnosed medical condition. To top it off, she also has severe anxiety, so, she has a great many struggles on a daily basis and generally simple things like locks can be difficult for her to deal with. Much to her dismay, she needed a lock for her gym locker at school, but the traditional locks provided by the school hurt her hands to use and gave her severe anxiety because she struggled to open them in a timely manner and was afraid of getting in trouble with her teacher. The school told us we could bring in a different style lock to see if she could handle it easier with less pain and stress. We looked around and settled on this lock, because it seems pretty simple to use. Thankfully she said it worked out great, so now we will be buying another one for her main school locker as well, so she can finally feel comfortable using it.